I will be using the T-chart strategy to solve an elapsed time word problem. So let's take a look at this word problem. Jeffrey and his family went to the movie theater and watched a movie on Saturday. After the previews, the movie started at 4:33 p.m. and ended at 7:17 p.m. How long did the film last? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a T-chart with the start and end time. Then we will work in increments, listing the amount of elapsed time on the side. Add up the times when we are finished. So let's go ahead and begin by putting our start time here. The reason we record our times here is just for reference. We're going to list the start time on the left-hand column. And in the right-hand column, we're going to list a new ending time based on how much you want to elapse at once. So from 4:33, let's go ahead and lapse to 4:35, and we're going to record how much time has elapsed here. So from 4:33 to 4:35, we're going to record 2 minutes. We're going to continue until we get all the way down to 7:17. You can choose how you want to elapse your time. But a good tip to keep in mind is you want to use a consistent strategy, like always getting up to a 0 or 5 minute time first, or always moving by the hours first. This can help you get started. So if you noticed here, I went to the nearest 5 minutes, which was 4:35. I'm going to record the 4:35 here. Now I want to jump to 4:40. That is my nearest 0 minute. And there has been 5 minutes that has elapsed. Now I'm going to record the 4:40 on this side of my chart. And I want to jump to the nearest hour. It's easier for me because I know 4:40 to 5 o'clock. That's 20 minutes. I'm going to record the time here. 20 minutes. I take my 5 o'clock. I put it on the left-hand side. Now I want to jump to 6 o'clock. So I'm going to record 1 hour. Take my 6 o'clock. And I'm going to jump an hour, which would be 7 o'clock. So I place the 1 hour time here. There was a 1 hour jump. So now I take my 7 o'clock. And I need to get to 7:17. So I know from 7 o'clock to 7:17 is 17 minutes. I have my times recorded. I have the time that has elapsed between each of the times. And so I'm ready to add. So I'm going to add my minutes first. 2 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 20 minutes and 17 minutes. I like to place my minutes in order when I add. 20 minutes plus 17 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my times recorded correctly. So now I'm ready to add. 7 plus 5 plus 2 is 14. Regroup my 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. That gives me 44 minutes. How many hours do we have? We have 2 hours. So 1 plus 1. That's going to put me at 2 hours. I like to organize my information this way because if the minutes had equaled 60 or more, I would need to convert this time to another whole hour. So because I'm under the 60 minutes, I have no converting to do. So I come up here. How long did the film last? My film lasted 2 hours and 44 minutes. This is the T-chart that I used. There's different types of T-charts that students use. This one for me is just more organized. It's easy to see the times lapsing between each other. So I prefer to use this method. So again, this was the T-chart method for elapsed time. Thank you.